Hello guys, I welcome you all to the 16th video of Module 5. Now because we have already downloaded this particular notebook into our system, let's just go ahead and add it directly into our GitHub by pasting it into our Git repository and then pushing it to the GitHub repository. Alright guys, I have copied that particular notebook that I downloaded into my system. I'm going into this notebooks folder and then simply pasting it over here. And then I can just rename this to, let's say, M8 or the module 8. That is linear regression from scratch. And now I can just open the terminal over here and the git add dot. And I'm going to check the status of it, git status, and git commit with the message added M8, or I'll just call it as M8 notebook added. And then finally git push. And we are done. Let's check the status once again. So nothing to commit, working tree clean, so everything is perfect. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video over here. I hope that you all have also added this kind of notebook to your GitHub repository. And now I'll see you in the next video.